Welcome to the Weeknight Rescue Meal Tool. This isn't a meal planner in the traditional sense. There's no weekly grid, no overwhelming list of Pinterest perfect meals you'll never make. This is for the moment when you open your fridge at 6 p.m., stare at a pack of tortillas, half a bell pepper, and some mystery leftovers, and think, what am I even supposed to do with this? That's where Weeknight Rescue comes in. It takes the food you already have from your fridge, pantry, or freezer and helps you turn it into real meals using simple AI generated recipes.